Welcome to Anana Pasantia. We are doing project on experimental investigation of human hair as fiber reinforced cement concrete. A project submitted by S.R. Avinash Kumar, K.K. Balaji, and myself, B.M. Raja. With the guidance of Naresh Babu, M.Tech, Assistant Professor in Tech. Next slide, please. Introduction. Fiber concrete can offer a convenient, practical and economical method for overcoming microcracks and similar type of deficiencies. Since concrete is weak in tension, in some measure must be adopted to overcome these deficiencies. Human hair, okay. Hair fiber and alternative matter is available in abundance and at a very economical price. Thus, studies has been undertaken to study the effect of human hair on plain cement concrete. Next slide, please. Aim and objective. Aim to see the effect of human hair on plain cement concrete on the basis of its mechanical properties, economics concrete, and to reduce environmental problems. Objectives to attain the maximum strength in the combination of cement concrete and human hair fiber. To analyze an intelligible enhancement in its compressive strength and restricted strength investigated with the addition of a human hair fiber. These are the cross section of hair. Next slide, please. But these are the three vital parts of an hair, in which inner layer or medulla, middle layer known as cortex, outer layer is known as cuticle. Next slide, please. This is the basic dimension of a single hair. Next slide, please. Why hair is used as a fiber? It carries 4 points in which it has a high tensile strength which is equal to that copper wire with similar diameter. As matter is creating an environmental problems, so it is used as a fiber material. It also available in abundance, reinforced by mortar. Next slide, please. Literature view. These are the various literature view in which strength characteristics of concrete using solid waste and experimental investigation. Fiber reinforced concrete using domesticated plastic fiber. Next slide, please. Concrete reinforcement with recycled fibers. Waste chicken fiber as reinforcement and cement bonded composites. Air fiber reinforced concrete. These are the steps involved in our project. Collection of material. Previous slide, please. Collection of materials, measuring of materials, treatment of human hair, mixed material proportions, casting, testing, result analysis. Next slide, please. These are the methodology followed by Mr. Arnab Kumar.
So these are the methodologies: specific gravity test for fine aggregate and coarse aggregate, water absorption test for fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and the following tests are done. Finally, the compressive strength test and the split tensile tests are done. So next slide, please. So this is the mixed design for the M30 concrete, where the mass of cement is 380, fine aggregate is 711 kg per kg, and the quantity of materials is for weight of cement is 1.29, and the coarse aggregate and fine aggregate are 2.7 and 3.15 respectively, and the water cement is 0.45. Why it is said to be 800 mm. So next slide, please. So specific gravity and water absorption test. So specific gravity is 2.88 and the water absorption for coarse aggregate is 0.97%. And then next slide. So these are the specific gravity and water absorption results for fine aggregates. So aggregate impact test, we have obtained the 16% of value for the impact test. The sum count test by IS code, the 50 and 55 are the medium value, so it is appreciable for the concrete. So the procedure for hair treatment, we have collected the hair, washed to the chemicals, and we have dried it for 72 hours, and it's being used in the cement concrete. So compressive strength test will be said by KBR.
This is the compressive strength test conducted on 150 mm, 150 mm, and 150 mm cube. Next slide, please. In the compressive strength test for a 7 days result, this is a normal M30 concrete uses 21.77 Newton per millimeter square. It's gradually increased 3%, 7%, and then 10%. Next slide, please. And then compressive strength test for conducted on 14 days. This also a result containing gradually increased about 10%. And then next slide, please. Split tensile strength test for a cylinder. Cylinder dimension is 150 mm dia and height is 300 mm. Next one, please. This is the split tensile strength test for 28 days. It's also gradually increased about 13%. Next slide, please. Conclusion. The specimen with the human hair fiber was found to be a good in compression, which had the nominal increase in its compressive strength of 11% with the fiber used up to 3% when compared with conventional M30 concrete specimen. Next, please. These are the reference we have to refer and done the project. And then, thank you.